Hey there, my name is David Height, and welcome to the beginning of our series on creating an Active Directory or Windows Active Directory domain and installing Exchange inside of it. This is an intro to our series. We're not actually going to dive into any of the technical stuff or configurations today. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what we'll be tackling in the videos to come. So here's a video diagram outlining what our network will look like. So this represents our ESXi host. We will be doing this all within an ESXi 5.5 environment. I'm not going to delve that heavily into ESXi or vSphere. So you will have to know at least how to get one installed and created. It's really not difficult. And there's plenty of resources online on how to do it. I will be touching on some of the features of ESXi and vSphere that are pertinent to what we'll be doing at the time, but I really won't be. This isn't a tutorial on vSphere or ESXi. So we'll be using the CSR 1000Vs as our virtualized routers. We'll have two subnets, the 10.28 and the 10.29. We will have three machines altogether. We'll have two Windows Server 2012 R2 machines that will become domain controllers, and we'll have one Exchange box. And that is about it. This really won't be too difficult of an experiment. However, we will be covering a lot. This is really great for beginners. I don't see why, even if you're quite new to IT, I do not see why you couldn't follow my video series and get this done and learn a lot in the process. Knowing how to do Exchange is a pretty knowing how to do Exchange well is a pretty valuable skill for employers or for you as an employee, because it really, Exchange ties into all parts of your Active Directory, so there can be a lot that goes wrong. However, it's been made. There's a pretty good process laid out on TechNet that if you follow, you shouldn't run into any problems. But I think my video series will make things a little bit clearer for those of you who aren't quite there yet or able to follow TechNet manual and have the results you're looking for. But anyway, so this will be what our network becomes. You can see two DNS machines here. I probably won't be those won't be part of our VM network, but I might host them on a different network and get them configured. I might not. I'm undecided at this point. However, regardless of that, I will be showing you how to configure the appropriate DNS records for Exchange. I will also be touching on how to pat the appropriate protocols on your NAT router for Exchange. Again, I'm not going to go too deep into configuring a NAT router, but I'll just touch on that one aspect. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoy my video series and at least learn a lot from it. So we'll see you next time on video 1. Thanks.